If you've been paying for Claude Pro, or you've been wishing you could use it without spending money, there's some great news. Anthropic has launched a brand new official offer that gives eligible users 1 full year of Claude Pro for free. This isn't a coupon, a student trick, or a limited trial. It's an official program directly from Anthropic. But there's one important eligibility requirement that many people will miss. So before you try to sign up, let me show you exactly who can claim it, what's included, and how to verify your account step by step. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the offer link in the description and pinned comment. Click on it and open it. This is Anthropic's new Claude for Teachers page. The program is designed to help educators use Claude inside and outside the classroom. And as part of this launch, Anthropic is offering 1 year of free Claude Pro access to eligible users. Now here's the important part. This offer is not available to everyone. Right now, it's only available for verified K-12 educators in the United States. If you're outside the US or you're not an eligible educator, this specific offer won't work for your account. If you know any teacher friends, you can share this with them or even ask them for help with the verification process. It's completely your choice and can make it easier to figure out eligibility. But don't worry. This series is all about official premium AI offers, and I've already shared several methods that work for students, creators, and general users. And if you're specifically looking for Claude AI Max free for 6 months, I've already made a separate video on that. Go and watch it. I've left the link in the description and pinned comment. So even if this one isn't for you, check out the rest of the videos after this video. Now let's continue. Scroll down a little. You'll see information about the features included with Claude for Teachers. Besides Claude Pro itself, Anthropic has added education-focused capabilities to help teachers prepare lessons, create classroom materials, explain difficult concepts, generate quizzes, and organize teaching resources more efficiently. The goal isn't to replace teachers. It's to help them save time on repetitive work so they can focus more on students. Now, let's claim the offer. Click the button to get started. If you already have a Claude account, simply sign in. If you don't have one yet, create a new account first using your teacher email provided by your organization or university. After signing in, Anthropic will ask you to verify that you're an eligible educator. Follow the verification steps shown on your screen. Depending on your situation, you may need to provide information that confirms your educator status. Once your verification is approved, the free Claude Pro benefit will be applied to your account. Another important detail is the duration. After your free year ends, Anthropic hasn't announced whether the benefit will be extended or what renewal pricing will be, so it's best to think of this as a 1-year promotional offer. If you're wondering whether people outside education can use this method, the answer is no. Anthropic clearly limits this offer to verified eligible educators. Avoid any websites or videos claiming they can bypass verification, because those methods are either fake or violate the platform's policies. The safest approach is always to use the official enrollment page. And if you're not eligible, don't worry. I've already covered other official ways to get premium AI tools for free, including previous Claude offers and other AI subscriptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.